How to use Coinbase Wallet to buy crypto. So this is just a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch or open your Coinbase application and then sign in and log into your account. Here, what we're going to do is to simply look for the cryptocurrency that you wanted to buy. Okay, so once you have decided, then what you're going to do is to click this buy icon here. So for this tutorial, let's just say you wanted to buy BNB. So what you're going to do here is to tap this arrow facing to the right to select that network that you wanted to buy. It is now set on Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is to tap this one right here and then look for BNB. And by the way, there are tons of network that you can choose here. So select the network, and what we're going to tap is the Binance Smart Chain. What you're going to do next is simply add or enter the amount that you wanted to buy. For example, 10 USD. Now below, you can see here, continue to payment. And below buy, you can see this pay with credit card by Alchemy Pay. So tap continue. And as you can see here, this Alchemy Pay is a third-party payment provider. So all you have to do is to click continue to proceed. You're now living Coinbase Wallet. So as you can see here, you can buy crypto and you can use the following credit card or a debit card or cards here. Visa, we have here Apple Pay, GPay, and MasterCard, and so on. So you can pay and buy crypto using this payment method below here. So you can now enter the amount and you will see estimated amount that you receive. So click this proceed to buy. And then after that, you can enter your email address. So check out with Alchemy Pay, enter email address, and then agree with your terms and condition. And then after you have reviewed, make sure that your email address here is correct. So what you're going to do next is to click proceed. Now they will send the verification code, and all you have to do is to enter that here. So open your email address and then enter it right here. And then after that, you can now proceed with the payment transaction. Okay, so you can pay via card, Google Pay. So this time you have to click this card right here and connect your Visa card, MasterCard, or whatever card that you have. Okay, and then after that, now enter the details, first name, last name, card number, expiration date, CVV, and then continue. If there are some instructions that you need to follow, you just have to follow. And then after that, you can now, or you have successfully purchased or buy crypto to your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so to check if it's already in your Coinbase, and then you can go back to your Coinbase, go to your home, and then you just have to reload and keep on reloading it until you see the amount above. So the crypto or the BNB that you have purchased will appear right here. Another way to purchase or get a BNB cryptocurrency is click this swap that is next to buy. So once you tap this, then you will see here some instructions. And then what you're going to do next is to click this swap now. Okay, so to be able to swap directly on the BNB Smart Chain into the BNB token is you have to make sure, of course, that you have available BNB Smart Chain tokens and also a little amount of BNB to cover the gas fee. Let's just say you have 100 amount of XRP or 200 amount and you want to convert this into BNB. So all you have to do is to add it right here and then click continue or accept or proceed. Then go back to your Coinbase and you will see the amount above. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.